Hi, 90 subscribers. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI voice assistant for a HVAC company or any service-based business. There are a lot of tutorials right now on YouTube. You've probably seen all of them. The difference here is that it is a bit more complex. It will be able to answer specific queries about the company or service they offer from a knowledge base, as well as to book an appointment. Okay, so first, let me actually show you how it works. I am calling the number now.
Hi, this is Alice. How may I help you?
Hi, Alice. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. How can I assist you today?
So when your company was founded?
Just a sec. Our company, Wolfgang's, was founded in April 1982 by Wolfgang Pauli. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yes. So do you offer AC services?
Give me a moment. Yes, we offer a range of AC services, including installation, repair, maintenance, and 24-hour emergency service. Is there anything specific you need help with?
Yes. Can I book an appointment?
Of course. Could you please propose a specific date for your appointment?
How about tomorrow, 1 p.m.?
Hold on a sec. It looks like we're booked at 1 p.m. tomorrow. However, we have openings at 11 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4 p.m. Which of these times works best for you?
So let's do maybe Thursday, 4 p.m.
Hold on a sec. It appears that Thursday at 4 p.m. is also booked. However, we have openings on Friday at 11 a.m., 2 p.m., and 5 p.m. Would any of these times work for you?
Yeah, Friday, 2 p.m.
Great. Could I have your name and email to finalize the booking?
My name is Eugene.
Nice to meet you, Eugene. Could you also provide your email address so I can complete the booking?
Yeah, so it's eugene@gmail.com.
Give me a moment. Your appointment has been successfully booked for Friday at 2 p.m., Eugene. Is there anything?
Okay, guys, so this is the demo. Let me now show you how it works on the back end so that you can get an idea. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen right now. First, you need to understand that the first part, when we were talking to the AI, we were actually talking to the knowledge base. Of course, the AI is built on VAPI. VAPI is a software to build AI voice assistant. There are plenty of them on the market, but we use primarily VAPI. So in VAPI, you can surely, do the system prompt, but if you're not able to provide, you can technically like give all the details about the company here, about the services, but it's not the best option. So you have, they introduced what it's called knowledge base recently, that you can, feed all the information about your company here, choose the knowledge base, and it will interact with this knowledge base. But for right now, it's not how we build our assistants just yet, since it's not comprehensive. When we, work with bigger companies with a lot of different services, there are a lot of different specifics. So we like to use a Voiceflow for it. So Voiceflow, of course, is a chatbot, building software for the front end, but they also have a knowledge base, right? In this knowledge base, we have, just some text. In real use case, you can feed obviously, the documents, the website here. As you can see, here is just the text from some random company with, if you remember, we asked when they were founded. So this is where this information comes from, and this is the information about the services. Again, very, very simple. So now we need to connect VAPI to the voice flow. So we are using make. In this case, as you can see, it ran the scenario. So VAPI has the things called functions. So these are three different functions: detailed info, check availability, and book appointments. So these functions can be run in like different scenarios. So obviously, if you read this, by the way, if you want to get like all of these templates, subscribe to my newsletter, and there are some links under this video, and I'll just send it to you. So as you can see here, so we have the functions, and in this function, when basically we ask, or a user asks a specific query about like our company or about our services, it triggers this function. The functions work pretty, straightforward. So you have the function, then we need to capture, a property. We need to capture user reply, and we let AI, okay, so know what it needs to capture basically a question that the user asked about our company. In our case, it was, when your company was founded. It provided the date, right? Okay, so then basically it triggers this webhook. When this webhook triggers, we send the HTTP or API request. Again, guys, I know that you're probably not technical. It is very straightforward. You can, watch my previous videos, or you can just Google it, or YouTube it, how to actually do that, how to send API request through Make. It's very straightforward. So we basically send the API request. We get the API key from here. This is, where is it, integrations API key. So we paste it here, and we send the basically the AI prompt, your FAQ assistant, and this is the question. So basically VAPI captures this user question, and we ask AI, okay, so this is the question, please answer this question based on this knowledge base. And now it provides the reply, and then we send it back to as a webhook response to VAPI. Got it? Sure. So now, the interesting part, when we are saying that we need to book an appointment, we need to do two things. First, we need to verify that this time is either this time is available or not. Actually, let me actually show the calendar to show you that it was actually booked. Okay, so this is one of my task calendars. Basically, you can see that I, by intentionally made this unavailable. And that's why when we asked for tomorrow, that time was not available, right? Then when we decided that we want to go for Friday, and it was like actually saying that sometimes are also not available because it's checking like different calendars, and I think I have some slots not available. Anyways, so for the Friday, we checked it, and as you can see, Eugene at Gmail. So it booked the appointment with test event between Eugene Kadzin and Eugene because we provided our name as Eugene. Okay. So now, bear with me. The idea is that when we ask AI, okay, so when a person wants to book an appointment, ask what the time does he wants, and then check if the time is available. There is a specific scenario. I know, guys. It's like, okay, it's not that complicated as it seems, but it's as you can see, but it's pretty straightforward. Basically, I'm not gonna go in depth into this right now. By the way, if you want me to review each and every step and show you how to build it, basically this video will be like an hour long and it will be very in depth. I want to see 100 likes. There is no way I'm gonna get it. So guys, because you can see that I recorded videos for the past 30 days every day, and they were usually 20 to 30 minutes. This video will be probably 12 minutes. I just want to see some input. My videos get like 4 views, so why would I record 1 hour long video right away if it's not in your interest? But anyways, if this video will get even 20 likes, sure, like I will anyways record it at some point of time. I need some ideas for the videos, obviously, but I would appreciate if it gets more. Okay, so for some reason today Make is very laggy, so it's like reloading all the time. Not sure why it's happening. Yeah, so here is basically we're asking to when like it face the booking request to run a check availability function. Same way we check the availability, we pass times, and this is the user requested appointment time. So this time was requested from the user, that in the the Make needs to verify. As you can see, it was not some reason, VAPI demos, and I think check availability. Okay, so now we are with this webhook, we are passing this time here. Then AI record, not sure what's the correct word, to the specific parameter, because we can say Friday 5 p.m., but we're not able to input this into the API call. So we need to example output. So we are asking AI to redo the output in this format anyways, and then we are making HTTP request to call.com. What this actually is a booking software, Calendly, call.com. I actually use not because it's free. It is free. I just like the interface more. Okay, so you can in theory do that directly with Google, but we usually use call, and if our clients are obviously using like third-party softwares, we synchronize the calendar. Anyways, so in this case, we're like sending the API request to call.com with the slots that are available, with the API key, with the user ID, with all these things. Again, guys, I'm sure it's not super understandable for you. You can just copy the template and like do some turn on your brain for a minute and then get an idea, like input your details, so it should work. But if you want me to go in details, put 100 likes. Okay, so anyways, so we send the API request, and if there are no available slots, it will, for this time, it will like return 0. These are some technical details here, and as you can see, there's a router. And this router is basically asking, okay, so if the results are not equals to 0, it means that there is an available slot. So, the time is good, basically. This is the output. And if the result is equal to 0, it means that the time slots are not available. Then we ask AI, same thing, please suggest some available slots. And then webhook basically provide a response. Again, guys, this is not the actual scenario. And by the way, so the final part, obviously, so if the slot is available, if you remember, it was asking us, sure, give me your name, give me your email. Again, it's not, this is just a demo. And for the HVAC service-based businesses, you would ask, okay, so what's your problem, right? What's the address, and some to get some more details, and then pass it all into the, let's say, Google Calendar to book an appointment, as well as into the company CRM to actually create a task with all the details, and with the usually what we do, we pass the recording of the conversation and the transcript, right? So this is just the thing, and right now, of course, like it says what's the time. There's a time zone difference if it's in internet inter us. It is the company that serves like multiple states. Obviously, if it's one state, that's okay. Anyway, so it will be more complex. I'm just like right now trying to provide the guidelines. So when it gets all the information from us, it's running the book appointment function, basically passing name, email, and decided time, and then runs this function. Same thing. We run this. As you can see, yeah, it's lagging for some reason. I'm not sure what's going on with Make today. So again, AI step JSON HTTP request. Basically, this is doing the HTTP request to call.com, but in this case, when here it was running the HTTP request and API request to check the available slots, this is the request to actually book this specific slot and then provide the response. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your time. So thanks for watching. Again, template in the details, check it. If you want us to build you and your business a similar solution, let me know. Go to our website, check the case studies, book an appointment with me. Peace.